Hello and welcome. You're watching the News Hour Agenda. I'm Padmaja Joshi. Since the election results came out for West Bengal on the 2nd of May, there have been charges of large-scale violence against political opponents by cadre of the TMC. These charges have been levelled by the BJP, the left, as well as the Congress. Today, even the Chief Minister said that in the last 4 days, 16 people have been killed, half of them from the TMC, half of them from the BJP, and one from the Sanyukt Morcha. And it is because of this alleged retributive violence that 200 to 300 of BJP supporters from the Cooch Behar district of West Bengal have fled to neighbouring Assam. Times now travel to the place, to Dhubri, where they are staying in government-run camps to find out why they were forced to leave their home and hearth. They say the choice they were given was very simple. Either change your party affiliation, either stop supporting the BJP, or be ready to lose your life.
আমাদের গ্রামে তৃণমূল প্রার্থীরা আসে, বাইক নিয়ে আসে, ওরা হুমকি দেয়, ভাঙচুর করবে, রেশনের মাল আনতে দিবে না, মহিলাদের ইজ্জত নেবে, এইভাবে সমস্ত মানে ঘন্টা ঘন্টা আসে, এইভাবে করে, হয়তো মারধর করছে, হুমকি দিচ্ছে বাড়ি ভাঙবে, আমাদের মহিলাদের বাড়িতে থাকতে দেবে না।
তার জন্য টিএমসির লোক আসে আমার উপরে আর অত্যাচার, যে লাইন কাটি দিবে কয়, যে মমতাজির লাইন কাটো, বা রেশনের চাল খাইতে দিবে না, কারি করে কন্ট্রোল নিয়ে আসলে এখানে বস্তা কারি নিয়ে আমাকে মারধর করবে আরও, এবং আমাকে সত্যি করে আমার গলায় দাও লাগিয়ে দিছি, দাও লাগিয়ে দিয়ে কয় কি এখন শেষ করবো তোমাকে, তুমি আরও করবা, বিজেপি করবা না। আমি বিশ্বাস করবো কেন করি? ও তো বলছে যে খেলা হবে, আমার সামনে কই খেলা হবে, খেলাবে, কী খেলা হবে? ভোট তো জনসাধারণের, ভোট সবাই দেয়, তো ভোট তো শান্তিপূর্ণ ভোট।
You heard the women. They understandably are the worst affected. Person after person told us how there were people who threatened women with molestation, with sexual violence, with being denied their ration. One of them had a sickle held to her throat and asked, "Do you still want to support the BJP?" Many others in the camps said that their houses were bombed, they were told to flee, they were forced to flee, and today they stare at an uncertain future. But can the voices of these people, these are not some WhatsApp forwards or some messages doing the rounds on social media, they are living, breathing people with first-hand testimonies. Who will ensure that one day they can go back to their homes and not have to live as refugees in their own land only because of their political affiliation?
हम लोग आया क्योंकि वेस्ट बंगाल से हम लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी किया, इसलिए हमारा गुनाहगार है, इसलिए ममता जो दल है तृणमूल कांग्रेस पार्टी, ये हमको इतना अत्याचार किया, हम जान लेके बचाने की कोशिश किया, असम में आया क्योंकि उन लोग हमारा साथ इतने अत्याचार किया, जो ये बोलते हैं जे यहाँ पर वेस्ट बंगाल पर रहने के लिए जो आदमी रहेगा उनका तृणमूल कांग्रेस करने पड़ेगा, नहीं तो अदर्स कोई आदमी इधर नहीं रहेगा।
रिजल्ट पूरा आया ही नहीं, पहले ही बमबारी करने लगा, रास्ता में जो जहाँ मिल रहा है उसको सबको धमकी दिया जा रहा है, ये देना पड़ेगा, चांदा देना पड़ेगा, 50-60 हज़ार चांदा देना पड़ेगा, 1 लाख चांदा देना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो तेरा घर बाड़ी दूर सब तोड़ेगा, तेरे को राशन से जो सामान आता है ये नहीं मिलेगा, दीदी का खाता है वोट और किसी को डालेगा, तेरे घर में बिजली नहीं रहेगा, बिजली दीदी का है, रोड पे तो चल नहीं पाएगा, खेत खमार में जो खेत है वो काट नहीं सकता, धान अभी कटने वाला है वो काट नहीं सकता है, तेरा बाइक वो धर्मघट बोलता है, तो तेरे को धर्मघट किया जा रहा है, ये काटना नहीं जाएगा तेरे।
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Joining us now on the show, we have Syed Zafar Islam, MP and national spokesperson of the BJP, Tausifur Rahman, political analyst, Advocate Tausif Ahmed, and my first question is to Lok Sabha MP from Silchar in Assam, ऑफ द बीजेपी, डॉक्टर राजदीप रॉय। बिकॉज डॉक्टर रॉय, आप भी गए थे वहां पर जहां पर कैंप लगाया गया है ढूबरी में। सबसे पहले कोई सवाल ये पूछेगा कि ये जितने लोग बंगाल से असम आए हैं, ये बीजेपी के कार्यकर्ता हैं. Who is to know? The allegation against you will be that आपने इनको वहां प्लांट किया है, बंगाल से असम ले आए हैं only to create a narrative against the government. Dr. Roy.
Look, if you go and see, there are two camps that I have visited personally yesterday on the border of Assam, Bengal, on the Dhubri district, the Lok Sabha, the Golakganj constituency of Assam and the Tufanganj constituency on the other side. The people who came over from Bengal to Assam are not just Bharatiya Janata Party Karyakartas. They are general public, they are general people. How can a person who is a child between the age of 5, 6 to 13, 14 be a political worker? They were driven out from their home. An elderly female who's around almost 70 years of age has been driven out from her home. There were people who were, it seems, were having food when the TMC goons entered their house, kicked their bowl of rice, kicked the plates where they were having their food, and they were turned out, their houses torched, the females molested. And I visited two schools, one housing 350 people, one housing 270 people, till 5 p.m. yesterday. And the Srirampur border also has been, a lot of people has come to the Srirampur border. Till today morning, almost 100 more
Why
people.
are they being driven out? You're saying they are not just you're saying they are not just BJP karyakartas. They are only civilians. Why are they being driven out?
Not just civilians. There are many of them are BJP. Most of them are BJP karyakartas, I must agree, and others are general public. They are Hindus and who have actually voted for Bharatiya Janata Party. That is the reason why they have been driven out. It is seeming like a political persecution which is going on in the present day Bengal for the last 3 to 4 days. And I am very sorry at the state of affairs because I personally talked to a lot of people and I asked them specifically, is the police giving you any safeguard or protection? Have you gone to the police station to lodge complaint against the goons? They said the police are in hand in gloves with all those people who came. It is the police.
Okay, let's take this
who
one by
actually
one.
showed
First,
them.
about the political persecution. Tausifur Rahman, why would these people flee? Why would they leave their homes and their villages if there was no fear? Tausifur Rahman, fear of persecution.
Well, Padmaja, these all videos and all the narratives which all have been set, and my senior panelist who's speaking about Assam, that all people are leaving Bengal and going Assam, they are under different perception altogether. I would really like to request the All India BJP and especially the West Bengal BJP that please do not disturb these people by showing them the videos. The fact, I'm telling you the fact. These people, the BJP leaders are going to their house, making fake videos, showing them, like, see what happened in Kolkata, what happened in Bhatpada, what happened in Damdam, what's happening in Howrah. Now these people are getting scared.
Your lies,
they are literally shivering.
Coming out.
Sir, I never disturbed you. Sir, please. Sir, you don't know my track record. I can heckle you right now. Sir, I can heckle you right now. You don't know my track record. No. Stop heckling. Just shut up. Just shut up. I don't care who are you. No. Please. Just shut up.
No, shut up. No, this language is not okay. No. Tausifur Rahman, very respectfully, I want to ask you. First of all, you are saying fake videos. I am not showing any fake videos. This is a ground report done by Times Now's correspondent Arindam. He has himself gone there. Second, you are saying that they are being shown videos and they are fleeing. Sir, there are people on record, and let me play for you again the testimony of that lady who's saying that his man came of the TMC and put a sickle to my throat. They are not being shown any videos. She said a man came and put a sickle to my throat. What videos are you talking about?
Padmaja, you remember, I folded my hands before election and I told you and in the entire nation, because Times Now has a huge viewership and a perfect, perception you people have. when you forecast the shows and everything. And I folded my hands and I told everyone, do not kill the people of Bengal, whether they are doing TMC, BJP
That
or
does
whatsoever.
not absolve-
and this
that
is,
does not
and this is the
absolve
whole
you
nature of
of the-
BJP.
of
Now
the-
the problem
of the-
is that they cannot control and they cannot accept it that they have lost their crown. 77 seat Amit Shah promised for 200 seat. Now अब कैसे चलेगा ये सब?
Sir, this is not
अब
about
कैसे
winning
हिंदू
and
मुस्लिम
losing.
होगा?
Syed Zafar
Sir,
Islam,
one
respond
sparrow
to
does
this.
not make a-
Here
Have
you
you
have,
seen
here
one
you
win
have this
here
gentleman saying
today?
that people are fleeing.
Have you seen
People are
a
scared,
particular
but you are the ones
journalist
scaring them.
was
Syed
declared
Zafar
dead?
Islam.
Don't forget
Can I
that.
just speak? Tausif
Sir, this
Rahman,
is not,
I'm
just a second, let me make that very clear. Okay. Syed Zafar Islam, respond to this. Yes, you are scaring the people.
Tausif Rahman, I don't know your background, not history, not geography.
challenge each
So
and
please
everyone.
keep your mouth.
If any-
no,
if any person-
Yeah, this is my opportunity to speak.
If any
So allow me
person
to
is in
speak.
danger,
Your
contact me.
please.
If you've asked a question, Mr. Rahman, now listen to the answer.
Yes.
Yes.
Let me tell you, Bharatiya Janata Party has lost election and won election in many states. We have never experienced this kind of situation any other state where we have lost election. We had lost election in Rajasthan, we had lost election in Madhya Pradesh, we had lost election in Chhattisgarh. We never faced this kind of experience. But people have supported us, and it is very evident from the fact that no, it is not that we are saying no. Every now and then we have
Don't
experienced,
create-
our people have
don't
experienced,
create
we
a
have-
fear-monger in
our
the state,
Karyakartas
sir.
have been
Please
put
don't
to
do
death.
that.
Our people have
Don't
been,
do
our
that.
Karyakartas
बात
have been
लगेगा
attacked.
आप लोगों को।
Our ministers have not been spared.
Don't
Please
create a
allow me to complete.
fear-monger,
I will
sir.
not
There's
heckle
no
you.
need.
If you'll heckle
And
me,
within 3-4
I
days,
am more
everything will be
experienced than
settled
you.
down.
I will not let you speak a
Everything will
word.
settle down in 3-4 days.
All I'm telling you
All
that
this fake
Mamata
narrative,
Banerjee is becoming...
all this wrong perception,
No,
all
Mamata
this
Banerjee is
Hindu-Muslim
becoming...
drama, everything will end.
No drama, Hindu-Muslim
Everything
drama.
will
It
end.
is...
And
it
people-
is-
Eight second. You know, just a second, gentlemen, I will pause you just a second to say only this. Tausifur Rahman, when your chief minister herself has agreed that 16 people have died, let us not disrespect the memory of those people, half of whom your party claims is members of the TMC, by saying 3 दिन का ड्रामा है, settle हो जाएगा. People are dead, Tausifur Rahman. Half of them you say are your party members. All of this you are saying is a 3-day long drama.
I can't believe this.
And what do you mean settle ho jayega?
Padmaja,
Padmaja,
when
What is this?
when I use the word
You
drama,
asked him, you-
Padmaja, when I use the word drama, it is for the Assam, what they are giving a narrative. I never spoke about the 16 people. Everyone is sad. No one like this.
Chief Minister is
We
speaking.
are the culture capital of India. You know, we don't believe in all this. You know, we are not like Hindu, Muslim
you
every
believe,
time.
what you
From
don't
last
believe
from
in.
last
Mr.
2
Rahman,
years,
what is
I am
the
so
cultural
upset.
capital you're talking about?
There is no
Just a
discussion of
second. You know, this
Sir,
whole
you are
cultural capital
interfering.
argument, I'll get Dr. Rajdeep Roy back on, but just a second. Once and for all, I want you, Mr. Rahman, and the people watching right now to listen to this woman again. If you are saying that today either she is doing drama or is a liar or is going against the culture of Bengal, then I don't know what to say. You're saying Assam is a drama. Listen to this woman and listen to her reasons for fleeing once again.
তার জন্য টিএমসির লোক আসে আমার উপরে আর কি অত্যাচার যে লাইন কাটি দিবে কয় যে মমতাজির লাইন কাটো বা রেশনের চাল খাইতে দিবে না কারিগরি কন্ট্রোল নিয়ে আসলে কালে বস্তা কাড়ি নিয়ে আমাকে মারধর করবে আরও এবং আমাকে সত্যি করে আমার গলায় দাও লাগিয়ে দিছে দাও লাগিয়ে দিয়ে কয় কি এখন বিশ্বাস করবো তোমাকে তুমি আরও করবা বিজেপি করবা না আমি বিশ্বাস করবো কেন করি ও তো বলছে যে খেলা হবে আমার সামনে কই খেলা হবে কী খেলা হবে ভোট তো জনসাধারণের ভোট সবাই দেয় তো ভোট তো শান্তিপূর্ণ ভোট
Answer this, Mr. Rahman. Do you think this woman was scared by some fake videos, or that she is a pretender, or that she is doing drama?
They will not be able to answer this, Padmaja ji. They
Did
will
I
not be able to
disrespected her
answer this.
views? Did I commented anything about her? Did I commented? Because you know I'm just worried about
Yes,
the videos
you
being
said
shown
Assam mein drama
that
chal raha hai.
Bengalis and our people
These are human
going
beings.
to Assam because they are not safe in Bengal. I will not take that. I will not take that,
Can I just
Padmaja,
come in? Can I
because
just
this is
come in?
not
They are
true.
unsafe in Bengal.
They want to
So
create
why
a fear
are they
monger on the
going?
street.
You
And
tell
trust
me. Why are they
in
leaving
3-4
West Bengal?
days, our people,
Why are they leaving
whether
West
you
Bengal?
voted for BJP or they voted for
Just
TMC,
answer this one
everything will
question.
be fine.
You and Anirban
They will be
Banerjee
fine,
answer just
Padmaja.
this
Take
one
my word.
question.
Take
Why
my
are
word.
people leaving
because
Bengal?
BJP supporters are unsafe
Stop
in
creating this
Atikpur
fear
Rahman's
monger.
and
You are
Mamata
taking them.
Begum's Bengal.
BJP people are
We
taking
have
them
won
to
the
Assam. For what
election.
reason? For what joy,
have
ma'am?
I just played for you what human beings are saying. Dr. Rajdeep Roy. Sir, you are still talking about fear mongering?
In Assam, we have won the election. Till today is 6. 4 days have passed. There is not a single case of violence against BJP or NDA allies in the entire state of Assam, which is having 126 constituencies. In my MP constituency, there is an LAC called Sunai.
Sir,
where a
4
BJP
people died in
candidate-
Sheetal.
Please listen, please listen.
Sir, 4 people
Just
died in
have-
Sheetal Gutti,
have the
sir.
patience to listen. Have
You know,
the
and
patience
that
to
was not
listen.
violence. When the
In
Central
my-
Force just
in my
shot those people,
constituency
they were
of
not people,
Sunai,
sir.
where we filled
They
out
were
a
not any
minority
cadres. They don't belong to
BJP
anyone. They were all,
candidate,
they were all the
Cluster.
people of, they were
His
all Indians.
sister's
They all
home
belong to
was
Bengal.
attacked
So
by
stop
the
creating this
AIUDF
havoc.
goons supported by the newly elected MLA. The perpetration that has been happening in Bengal, I fear that this thing will cross the border and start happening in western side of Assam, which is bordering Bengal, and might happen by the AIUDF candidates or their supporters or their goons, even in Barak Valley. But otherwise, there is not
Anirban
a
Banerjee,
single
answer
case,
this.
not
You
a
are
single
neighboring
case
states.
of
Same day, 2nd of May, the Congress lost to Assam. The Congress lost to the BJP in Assam. The BJP lost to the TMC in West Bengal. Yet, there are no Congress supporters, no Congress cadres seeking refuge in West Bengal.
Exactly.
Why is the opposite
exactly.
happening? Anirban Banerjee.
In North Bengal,
Anirban.
the district of Kuch Bihar, Darjeeling, and Alipurduar, the 3 districts closest to Assam, these 3 districts, the BJP have scored a very, very high number of seats. In Alipurduar, they are probably 5-0. In Kuch Bihar, they are probably 7-2, etc., etc. So this part of North Bengal, the BJP has scored very well. They have got a strong organization, or so to say. And therefore, this narrative of the BJP cadres being attacked in their own stronghold, this presumptually is completely fake and false. And please, don't tell me that Bengalis are safe in Assam. Bengalis in Assam are pushed into detention camps by the thousands. And you want to tell me that these people are seeking refuge in that very hellhole for Bengalis? Oh, please, spare me this irony. This presumptually
Okay,
is
Syed Zafar
fake.
Islam, answer this. Of the 9 assembly constituencies in Kuch Bihar, 7 were won by the BJP. Now the TMC is asking, why would BJP supporters flee from an area where you have actually performed the best?
See, Padmaja, it is not only these areas. Everywhere, wherever BJP supporters had supported Bharatiya Janata Party, and it is very evident from the fact that the left Congress, they have disseminated. It is only Bharatiya Janata Party versus TMC. And those who supported Bharatiya Janata Party are being now attacked by TMC goons. They are saying either you support TMC, be part of TMC, or you have no place in West Bengal. I mean, this is the way.
Mr. Islam, do you think you have an iota of credibility? Even an iota of credibility, sir? Do you think anybody believes you people?
Sir, haven't you heard? Haven't you heard what
putting up pictures? See, journalists
forget about
who are alive and well, but claiming that them to be dead BJP supporters.
I am Mr. Banerjee. I'm asking
You have put up pictures of journalists who are
You
alive.
have no credit. You have no credit. If you are saying me, I have no credibility. Likewise, you have no credit.
Industry.
Your statement carries no
BJP
credit.
is known for only one industry. That is of manufacturing fake news after fake news. You have been putting up pictures of live people.
Sir, don't worry about anything put out by the BJP. Right now, answer the reports that are in your face. But Syed Zafar Islam, answer that point. You have a video. Just a second. That is one valid point, that right now, people are asking questions of genuine cases. And there are people, multiple cases which have surfaced of of eyewitnesses who we ourselves have spoken to, who are saying my husband was killed, my whatever so and so was beaten, etc. But all of that is now under a cloud because your official video put the picture of a journalist as a BJP karyakarta who's dead. Syed Zafar Islam.
No, Padmaja, see, you have to understand, when TMC goons are not sparing anyone, whoever has spoken either truth or supported Bharatiya Janata Party, be it a journalist, be it a karyakarta, be it anybody, even if you are fairly reporting and not supporting TMC, you are being targeted. Even in West Bengal, you just see.
Sir, he was never targeted. He was never targeted. He is a journalist working on the desk of a news organization, and he was put up as a BJP supporter who has been killed. This kind of miscommunication is a disservice to your own karyakartas who are actually injured and dead.
He was declared dead.
But Padmaja, didn't you see what happened to the central minister today? If the central minister is not safe in West Bengal, what does that indicate? You have all the videos. You have all the videos how the police was not taking really trying to protect the minister.
Padmaja, when I am talking about the fake videos.
Tawseefur Rahman, answer that. All right. So you've got a major gaffe. You've got a major gaffe committed. But when you have live testimonies, when you have a minister being attacked and it's all on camera, can all of that be discounted because of this gaffe? Violence? Can you deny that there is no violence? Tawseefur Rahman.
Ma'am, see, the minister. No. I am not denying that few sporadic incident happened. I'm not denying that. Even our CM, she also conveyed that, okay, this is not done. We have to see into the matter. We have to look into the matter. Of course, something happened. That's why people are scared.
No, wait. When you say sporadic incident, who is behind it? Who is behind it? When you say sporadic, it seems as if some people came, killed and left. Who is behind it? Who is behind it? So you accept there are sporadic incidents at whose hand?
Padmaja, there will be an inquiry. They will be, of course. Of course, I never denied that. When you spoke about 16 people got killed, I'm not denying that. Yes, there will be an inquiry. But my only thing is that do not disturb anymore our people of Bengal. You know, that's why I'm telling you. No, wait. That's why I'm telling you, just give 3-4 days. You know, we will handle our people. They used to live in peace. They used to live in joy. And this is the same result. Just give us 3-4 days. Ask these BJP gundas to leave Bengal.
Sir, with due respect, there is no peace and there is no joy when you are persecuted for your political choices. These ideas sound very lofty when we say them from the comfort of our houses, but it is not very comforting. And I want to bring back in Dr. Rajdeep Roy and Anirban Banerjee. But before I do that, I want you to listen in. You know, everyone keeps saying it's a matter of inquiry. But what will you inquire when there is no case? And there is no case because, as you will hear from these people, they are scared as much of the police as they are of their political adversaries. Listen to this man.
कोई भरोसा नहीं है वो लोग को जब सेना बाहिनी को जब पुलिस को फ़ोन किया जा रहा है इस शुरू से ही पुलिस को फ़ोन किया जा रहा है ये होने वाला हम लोग को ये धमकी दिया जा रहा है पुलिस वाला भाई हम जाएगा तो हमको पिटता है हमको ही मारना चालू कर देता हम क्या करें वहाँ जाओ भाई तुम्हारा जो नेता है बड़ा जो वो है उस सबका पास जाओ हमारा पास कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है
ये झूठे बात किया दीदी जो मुंहों से बात करते हैं अगर कोई उनका कानून भी नहीं है जितने आदमी है उनका अगर कोई डिपार्टमेंट का आदमी जितने कानून का आदमी है पुलिस है उन लोग भी सहयोगिता नहीं करते हैं अगर जितने आदमी है उनका हमकी लगाता है ऐसे
पुलिस हमारी सुनती ही नहीं है अनिर्बान बैनर्जी So it's very convenient to talk about an inquiry, but what will you inquire when people are too scared to even go to the police?
Okay, 2 points. 2 points here. The supposed incidents that have taken place with these people, they were at a time when the police was not under the elected chief minister, under the election commission and the honorable governor of West Bengal. And number 2, as I said before, Kuch Bihar is a stronghold of the BJP. They have scored exceedingly well. Even if their vote percentage has come down, still they have won many seats there. Therefore, it is simply not possible that their supporters being hounded away from the state, away from the district that the BJP is quite strong in. This is simply not possible.
Okay, so you keep
You are
talking
giving-
about
you
Cooch
are
Behar
giving
now.
the
As
half
far
truth.
as the law and
Yeah,
order
I
not
am
being
talking-
under,
I will-
not being under Miss Banerjee's control, that is factually
yes, the state
incorrect,
notified
because
him
even the
yesterday.
governor has clarified that she was the acting chief minister. She was told to act as the acting chief minister soon after the model code of conduct ceased to be in power. That's point number one. And point number two, even you would accept that Miss Banerjee took oath yesterday. Since then, a union minister's convoy has been attacked today. The law and order machinery is under the control of Ms. Banerjee, one. And second, you have Aishi Ghosh, who on the 5th of May, which is when the TMC was already in government, has said TMC burnt the footpath shop of Comrade Gopal Dey. It is being rebuilt with the people's help now. So all of this, and by the way, all of these parties, not just the BJP, is accusing TMC by name. But answer that again, Dr. Rajdeep Roy, because you are in the neighboring state. The Cooch Behar argument is again being given. It's a place where the
No,
BJP
I will-
is in
I will-
power.
I will answer
It's a place where
I
the
will answer
BJP has significant number of seats.
I will answer the Cooch Behar argument first
Dr.
of all.
Roy.
I'll hit the nail on the head. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, go on.
There are 9 seats in Cooch Behar, 9 LSEs. Out of 9 LSEs, BJP has won 7 and TMC has won 2. Historically, it has been, Cooch Behar has been a BJP stronghold. We have been working there for long. The lady who has become the MLA in the Malati Rabha, who has become an MLA in the Tufanganj constituency, came and told specifically, despite all of us winning, 7 MLAs winning, we are living perpetually under fear, under threat that these people will come and attack us anyway. She has visited the camps today on the Assam side of the border, and she has visited 2 camps. We have spoken and got her opinion. All these Cooch Behar that people are saying that it is a BJP stronghold, so the narrative does not hold. It is not necessarily so. The BJP supporters and the BJP Karyakartas are leaving Cooch Behar and coming and entering Assam. And this is happening not just, we have got information that almost
You are saying
1
your
lakh
elected
people-
MLAs are fearful of their life. You are saying an
Yeah,
elected
my
MLA of the
elected
BJP is
MLA
scared for her
my-
life.
She has come to the Assam side today to take care of her voters, of her sympathizers, of people of her constituency who took shelter in the 2 relief camps on the Assam
today
side.
morning.
Anirban Banerjee.
Morning, yeah, today morning,
You know, it's
Mr.
very
Udayan
easy to make stories.
Mr.
It's
Udayan
very easy to
Guho
make
lost
stories.
to Nishit Pramanik by a mere
No, it is not
59
making
votes.
stories, Mr.
His
TMC.
arm was
Mr.
broken
TMC, it is
into
not
2.
making stories.
And 2 of his security guards, their heads were bashed in. This was done by the men of Nishit Pramanik. This happened today in the morning. So it is
You know,
not Bengal, it is the
Mr.
BJP
Newton.
who are running havoc.
Mr. Newton, the great
Please get
scientist,
this
he
very
said
clear.
that every
Please
action
get
is an
this
equal
very
and
clear. It is
opposite
in
reaction.
North Bengal, it is the
For 5
BJP
days, if
who
you
are
keep
running
on doing
havoc.
so, someday it will befall on you. The same thing will befall on you. Mr.
Sir,
Newton,
it
the
was
great scientist, said
Mr.
in his
Dilip
third law,
Ghosh,
he said,
who was
Yes.
declaring revenge.
Sir, again,
Obviously,
I'm
Dilip
requesting you
Ghosh
Obviously,
stop
it will
telling
was
be
saying that we will walk over the dead
Because
bodies
here
of
you
our
are,
opposition.
for the last
Your
5
Bengal
days,
your
the
state
mayhem that you have
president,
unleashed
Your
on the
state
people,
state president,
on the
Mr.
people of
Dilip
West
Ghosh,
Bengal
who
will
threatened
repay you
murder
back.
at opposition.
If not today, maybe
Take care of
5
that.
years down the line. If not today, maybe 5 years down the line. They will repay you back in the same coin. And remember, Mr. TMCs, all those who are on the channel, one sparrow does
Sir,
not
it's
make a
very
summer.
easy. Sir, it's
One
very
sparrow
easy
does not make
to
a
malign
summer.
someone's image. It
I
is
have-
very easy to malign
not
someone's
maligning.
image. To
You
malign the
come-
state,
you come
to malign
Assam.
the state,
You come
people's
to
state,
Assam, be
it's
my
very
guest.
easy.
You come to Assam, be my guest, and see the bonhomie that Bharatiya Janata Party, despite winning, are going to the houses of people who have lost, shaking hands with the Karyakartas of other side and all. Please come to Assam and learn something, and don't preach the false narrative that the Bengali people in Assam are
Sir,
not
sir,
secure.
for how
Please
many
do
days
not
you
do
will
that.
run this fear-monger
Please
in
do
the
not
state,
do
sir?
that. Please do not
For
do
how
that.
many days? This is not going to last. This is not going to last
Obviously,
for more
this
than
is not
48
going to
hours.
last.
I'm telling you.
It is.
Everything will be under control. Just stop telecasting Just stop telecasting fake
I am
videos.
not
That's it.
telecasting. I am a politician.
I'm folding my hand.
I am a doctor
Just
turned
stop
politician.
telecasting all
So
this
Tawseefur
video.
Rahman, you are accepting that things are not in control right now.
And ask.
And if things are not under control, then who is responsible for it?
And ask those BJP IT cell to not to go live telecasting.
Please try to
You know,
understand that.
Didi took oath yesterday
you
at
people are spreading
10:45.
a fake narrative.
You know, and it has just
Has there
been
been a
24
single-
hours.
has there
Rest
been
things
a
will be
single-
fine.
has
People
there
will
been
be
a
back on
single
track.
FIR file,
They will
tell me?
start
Has
working.
there been a
And TMC
single
has already
FIR
started
file?
working
Please
for
tell me.
COVID.
Almost
So you have
30
to
deaths in the
understand
last
COVID is
3
our
or 4
highest
days.
priority right
Has
now.
there been a single
Instead of
FIR
doing this
file?
fear mongering
You
in
are
West Bengal.
thinking we will do the
And I'm
network.
giving
Have
you the
filed an
guarantee.
FIR?
Okay,
Mamata
Syed Zafar
Banerjee will
Islam.
control
Syed Zafar
everything.
Islam.
Whatever
Syed Zafar
BJP is
Islam,
telling
hold back and everything will be fine, because now already action has been taken against police officers who have been suspended for the attack on Mr. Muralidharan's car, and people have been arrested as well. So Tawseefur Rahman is arguing this is an example and everything else also will be under control. Syed Zafar Islam.
No, no, Padmaja, I have a very different point to make here. First of all, Mr. Tawseefur Rahman, what did he say in the beginning itself? He clarified and confirmed that within 3-4 days it will be all right. These TMC goons are out in open, and they are being supported by the TMC leadership. I mean, something which the way he spoke, it confirms that these were TMC goons.
This is
they
what
are
Padmaja
trying
also
to
said,
target
the CM is
BJP.
quoting.
They are
This is what I
BJP
said.
Karyakartas and BJP people who supported Bharatiya Janata Party, ordinary family who are simple supporter of Bharatiya Janata Party are being targeted by TMC goons. But of course, within 3 days, whatever they want to do, they let them do. And in 3 days, it will be perfectly all right, because those people will damage, and by then it will be huge. A number of people will be killed. Like
because the CM has taken oath, the law and order will be under her, and everything will be controlled. And whatever BJP is spreading fake news, all spreading every bad thing
being supported by
for the people and disturbing the image. Everything will be controlled.
Otherwise, who will have the guts to stop the convoy of a central minister unless they have been given direction as being supported by leadership and the government? Otherwise, no ordinary man will ever venture with 50 numbers to come out and stop the convoy of the central minister. No, never ever it happened in the past.
Again, you are doing a tongue twisting, sir. Again, you are doing a tongue twisting. Padmaja told me the CM confirmed about the 16 people. 16 people got killed.
I watched.
Okay, so that is what I am saying. If it was under, if it went wrong anywhere,
you are only
the CM took oath yesterday. And she promised, that everything will be under control. She was not the CM day before yesterday. Okay? Everything was under election. Everything was under election commission. It was not under Mamata Banerjee.
No, and just a second. Tawseefur Rahman, in the 48 hours that the TMC has been in government, even if we agree with you that there is no concept of an acting chief minister, there are at least 3 cases reported, 1 by the left and 2 by the Congress of attacks on their Karyakartas in the last 48 hours as well. So unless you also want to put that in the category of, let things play out for a bit and then things will calm down. This is not the way law and order is supposed to be. You cannot say, 2-3 din mein, let people give vent and then things will calm down. But Dr. Rajdeep Roy, I want to ask both you and Syed Zafar Islam. I want to both ask you and Syed Zafar Islam, irrespective of whoever is behind the attack on BJP workers, TMC workers, Congress workers, what does it say about your party's local leadership that now Karyakartas are scared for their lives and they have to flee to a neighboring state? Where is the confidence building that they cannot stand their ground just because they have been routed in an election?
No, you can't. You can't stand against people who come with sharp weapons. You can't stand against. You can't be foolhardy to stand against people who come with, so-called dows and swords and whatnot and all. They come with petrol bombs and all. It is foolhardy to stand in front. The best thing is to safeguard yourself, save your life and property, and then do whatever can be done legally.
Padmaja.
Okay, Syed Zafar Islam, respond.
See, you have heard an ordinary man. What did he say? They are being attacked. And when you are being attacked, an ordinary citizen, where do you go? You go to the police station, you approach the police station, you approach the authorities, and when you get to know from the authorities at the police station and the police officers that you look, I cannot help you. What will you do? You will flee from your place because otherwise you will be killed. Your women will be raped. You will be targeted. So they have no option but to flee. This is what is happening in West Bengal. Either you become TMC supporter or you being targeted. And Tausif Rahman and
this is what you're teaching them.
TMC guy
This is what you're encouraging them. No, this is what you're teaching them. That bhago. अरे कोई अपना देश छोड़ के क्यों भागेगा भाई? Why someone will leave their house, leave their own state, leave their own city, leave their own ground and flee? This is what you're teaching, Zafar Saab? This is what you're teaching?
Myanmar people have...
You tell me what should be done. You tell me what should be done. If a mob comes, Mr. TMC, if a mob comes to your house, armed with petrol bombs, with sharp weapons and swords, what will you do? What will you do if you are a common man? If you are a common man,
that leave your house, people are dying.
Try to be sensible, man. Try to be sensible, Mr. TMC. Mr. TMC, try to be sensible.
Tausif Rahman, let me ask you only one thing. Let me ask you only one thing. If you are saying that, now law and order is in our hands and everything will be fine, can the Chief Minister of West Bengal issue an appeal to everyone who was forced to flee and people who are saying that they are scared for their lives, that come back, I will ensure that cases are filed and I will ensure your safety personally. Because at the end of the day, they are also people who she is a chief minister for. She is the chief minister of West Bengal and these are people of West Bengal, not BJP people or TMC people.
That's true.
Padmaja, very humbly I want to explain you. Whether you voted for TMC or for Mamata Banerjee, whether you voted for BJP doesn't matter. Bengal is 10.5 crores population and the CM is there for each and every one. So whoever is in trouble or whoever is facing trouble, action will be taken, trust me. And this is why I'm telling you, you need to stop this fake narrative. And we are very happy this gang rape got denied.
This is where the politics enters. We just spent the last half hour purely and purely bringing to you people who are flesh and blood, not WhatsApp forwards, not WhatsApp videos, and still you end by saying fake narrative. Sir, these are human beings and they are not any narratives, and I'm just hoping that there will be an appeal and there will be an assurance because they deserve as much to be in their homes in West Bengal. As I thank all of you, I want you and the viewers again to listen to these people. Elections will come and go, but human beings don't deserve to be displaced like this. Let's hope they get back home.
আমাদের গ্রামে তৃণমূল প্রার্থীরা আসে, বাইক নিয়ে আসে, ওরা হুমকি দেয়, ভাঙচুর করবে, রেশনের মাল আনতে দিবে না, মহিলাদের ইজ্জত নেবে, এইভাবে সমস্ত ঘন্টা ঘন্টা আসে, এইভাবে করে, হয়তো মারধর করছে, হুমকি দিচ্ছে বাড়ি ভাঙবে, আমাদের মহিলাদের বাড়িতে থাকতে দেবে না।
তার জন্য টিএমসির লোক আসে আমার উপরে আর অত্যাচার, যে লাইন কাটি দিবে কয়, যে মমতাজির লাইন কাটো বা রেশনের চাল খাইতে দিবে না, কারিগরি কন্ট্রোল নিয়ে আসলে কালে বস্তা কাড়ি নিয়ে আমাকে মারধর করবে আরও, এবং আমাকে সত্যিকারই আমার গলায় দাও লাগে দিছে, দাও লাগে দিয়ে কয়েক এখন বিশ্বাস করবো তোমাকে, তুমি আরও করবা, বিজেপি করবা না, আমি বিশ্বাস করবো কেন করি? ও তো বলছে যে খেলা হবে, আমার সামনে কয়ে খেলা হবে, কী খেলা হবে? ভোট তো জনসাধারণের, ভোট সবাই দেয়, তো ভোট তো শান্তিপূর্ণ ভোট।